Had to turn that off so I don't get copyrighted. Let me turn these lights on. Happy Vlogmas Day. What the heck is today? 19? Let me check that. It's Happy Vlogmas Day 19. Let's start that over again. It's time to go to work. I think I might have a tiny clip or two of today. When I got home this morning, I filmed a Dollar Tree haul with Christmas wrapping goodies and some new pretty Christmas items. And anyway, I uploaded everything and then went to sleep. When I got up at almost, I think it was like 1:45 p.m. Today, I made my bulletproof coffee, and I know I got a clip of something. I don't remember. Oh, changing the little thingamajigger on the Christmas Advent calendar, or the countdown, whatever it's called. And then I started editing the Dollar Tree video, and then I uploaded that, and then I moved on to Vlogmas Day 17, editing, and uploaded that, and before I knew it, I helped Mom. We pulled the trash bins from the backyard to the side and dumped them in trash, the big trash dumpsters, because it's trash night. They'll pick them up in the morning. What else did I do? That was it. Took a shower. I didn't put any makeup on. I have not eaten today. I was rummaging through the fridge right now looking for some cooked meat or something. I don't know why that's flickering. Didn't find anything, but I did. I got 3 hard-boiled eggs and a cheese stick. And I didn't tell you about what happened to me yesterday at work. Holy moly, I all of a sudden developed an allergy to peanuts, which I've always eaten and snacked on peanuts. I buy the big bulk bags of these shelled peanuts from Costco, and I snack on those all the time. I make my fat bombs, like peanut butter Reese's style fat bombs, out of sugarless peanut butter, because that's what I buy now. I love peanut butter. I'll go and dip a spoon in there and use that as my dessert, just straight up like that. I love it. Anyway, so someone at work got this huge container. I'll insert some clips of the container because I took pictures of it. They got this huge container and they left it in the break room where everybody leaves things on the table there to share with each other. And so during my shift last night, I got a little tiny paper coffee cup that we use for clients. I got one of those, and I got a couple of peanuts, filled up my water bottle, and went back to my desk and continued. I was snacking and working. Then all of a sudden, my upper lip felt like it was getting numb. Then the roof of my mouth felt like it was getting numb. Then all this right here felt like it was getting numb. And I could start feeling like numbness down back in there, and I turned around. I told the nurses that were working behind me what was happening. So one of the male nurses got up right away, went to the med room to make sure that there was an EpiPen in there, or else he was going to send me to the ER because I was developing an allergy. I have an allergy towards peanuts, or it could be those specific peanuts because it had some kind of, on the container it says it has, well, I'll show you. It had nothing. It was just salted. It tasted just like salted peanuts, but I guess they salted it with some kind of recipe of their own. It could be that. But the fear is so huge that I probably won't even touch anything peanuts anymore. I started Googling what happens during... Anyway, I can go off on that tangent, you guys. Anyway, that happened to me at work last night. I turned into a big old wow baby about it. I was scared the rest of the shift. And one of my coworkers said, maybe you're just kind of making, talking yourself into an anxiety. But you guys, this is today's Vlogmas. I'm so sorry. Some days are really bad. And yet, yesterday was kind of, sort of, I keep watching the cars driving by. And then also I put in those clips at the end of yesterday's Vlogmas about the bird scooter. I guess a company in Los Angeles, easy for me to say, dropped those off here in town. So it's a thing. I'm going to look it up. Somebody told me that it was on the news, and I guess people rent them. They pay per mileage or minute, or I don't know. I will look it up. I'll insert some information of that in today's vlog. That's what I'll do. And then I'll try to find the clip. It was on local news here talking about it. I guess our city people weren't too happy about it, but that big company in LA just did it anyway. They dropped them off here, and they're all over my neighborhood. I see families scooting around. They look like fun. Anyway, it's interesting. And plus, I did talk about what somebody had said in the face. My battery is running low. In the Facebook group, I ran out of battery and room, so I got to make this fast. But I remembered I brought this thingy with me. I got to show you about it. I'll put it in tomorrow's vlog, and I'm charging my phone with it. So I love you. See you tomorrow.